It's Monday, July 13th. It's about 4:07 a.m. Been awake 22 minutes, and I am on my way to go get what might be my last photograph of Comet NEOWISE, C2020 F3 NEOWISE. Today, I'm actually going on a field trip to catch this one. Headed out towards Lake Lavon. There's a little clearing area that I found, scoped it out last night, about 6:30, 7 o'clock last night. And it looks like it's going to be a perfect spot. So as I keep waking up to catch this comet, I've noticed that I've been getting up earlier and earlier and trying to get a little bolder with each attempt. First attempt, I just grabbed my tripod camera and went. And I'm realizing that this is what I want to do. Why? Who gets up at 3 or 4 in the morning to go do something they don't want to do? I mean, is it an addiction? Astrophotography, hunting a comet, getting that rare shot of something neat, something rare that a lot of people wait decades for. Maybe it's I chase the acquisition. I chase the thrill of getting that shot. I left that open. Fingers crossed. They left this open. That'll be awesome. Please be open. Please be open. Please be open. Fuck yeah, boat ramp's open. I don't have to walk half a mile. Y'all, you ain't gonna believe this. I came out to what might be one of the darkest places I've been in the Dallas area. There is nothing here. I'm on the edge of the city at a reservoir, and there's nothing that direction until like Arkansas. It's dark here. And I left my f***ing Canon at home. I brought everything else. So I'm gonna have to use my vlog camera for the shot, which is not ideal. It's not the lens I wanted, but it's gonna work. It is wide. It's gonna give me a nice wide shot, but it's not the composition I was hoping for, but it should work. So I'm sorry, but any vlog video you get of me out here working with the camera on the SkyGuider Pro is gonna be cell phone quality video at night. Sorry. Alright, so the comet's just now come up above the horizon, and I have found out using my app, because I can't acquire it visually, there's a tree right there. You can't see it, but it's there, right where the comet's going to be, and it's a tall tree. When I was scouting this location yesterday, I was using an app that does not allow augmented reality in the future, and so I had to do best guess, and I figured the comet would be coming up next to the tree. It would have made for a really neat foreground element in the photo I was taking, and no, it's coming up right behind the tree. We have to move. I bet Trevor Jones never has these kinds of problems. It is 5:10 in the morning. Let's recap. I drove about 20 miles away from my house to a reservoir called Lake Lavon to try and get away from some of the city light pollution to photograph what might be my last chance at getting Comet NEOWISE. I get here, I have plenty of time to set up. I get my iOptron SkyGuider Pro polar aligned in like record time. When I go to set up the camera on it, I notice that I don't have my DSLR. I left it at home. no big deal. I brought my Sony a7S II vlog camera to record all of this. It's picking up stars. This is going to be easy. And so I pull out my my augmented reality app that I use for you know, seeing what's in the sky with my phone, and try to figure out, okay, where is Comet NEOWISE, so I can get my camera pointed in the right direction from this. The very location that when I scouted, or the very tree at this location that when I scouted it, I thought, hey, that's going to make for a neat little foreground element. I'll just put that off to the side, and everything will be good. I put it right in front of the Comet. So we're in this subdivision that has not been built out yet. They got the roads, they got some street lights, but they don't have any houses, and there's some low trees. So hopefully I can get the shot of the Comet here without too much hassle. As you can see, the dawn is beginning to break. This is going to be my last shot. Hopefully there's a comet in there. 5:37. I was able to get about 20 minutes of photos before the dawn light, which you can kind of see through the car window right there, started to break and wash out the comet. 20 minutes. I've been awake for 2 hours, just 20 minutes worth of photos. I couldn't see the comet visually this morning. I don't know. I can see that now that the dawn is coming, that there's some looks like redness to the sky. So there's either smoke, haze, maybe some more of that Sahara dust. I don't want to use the word fun to describe this experience because it's not. That, see how nasty, dusty that horizon is out there? That's what I was trying to find the comet through. And it was not easy. But despite the difficulties I had, not having my Canon camera, having to use my Sony, using the 18mm lens instead of the 51.4 that I wanted to use. The 18mm is a 2.0 lens. I mean, it's not that bad. Plus the Sony's a really good low light camera, so that helped out. And I actually got to use this camera for proper astrophotography. I pointed it at Cygnus, and you know, took a couple of pre-dawn shots of the full constellation Cygnus, and well, maybe those photos turned out okay. Dawn light crept up on me real fast. I can do a time lapse here of a couple of 10-second shots spaced apart. 2 hours and 3 minutes later, I'm headed home. I've got the last of my Comet NEOWISE photos. I should say the last of the naked eye NEOWISE photos. In about 2 weeks, I think. It'll be in the northwestern sky in the evening. And I can probably image that with my telescopes from the observatory. So, fingers crossed we have good weather. Keep an eye out for those live sessions where I live stream Comet NEOWISE through a telescope, and I should be able to do it either with my Stellar View 4-inch, which is a refractor, or my brand new 8-inch Ritchie Crichton, which I finally just got collimated last week. So the whole saga on that I'll get into later, but yeah, we'll be doing. This isn't the last of comets for me, that's for sure. It's just the last of naked eye NEOWISE. I need coffee. I'm pulling into Starbucks now. Clear skies, everyone. Thanks for following me with this. Then I'll see you in the next one.